Hey guys, it's Remo, and here's this week's message from our team. The story for today is around really my newfound love, commitment, admiration around golf, right? So I've been taking golf lessons once a week and hitting balls every so often. And as I'm sitting there with the coach and I hit the ball, and most of the time the ball goes in not where I want it to go. I might aim left, it goes right. I might aim far, it goes up, and it's a hot mess right now. And so, but what's important is the times that I actually hit the ball incorrectly is the opportunities that allows me to learn. Because at that point, he can say, do this, do that, and then we get closer to getting to the ball kind of down the middle. However, every so often I might hit the ball, I would say perfect, but just hit it where I'm supposed to hit it, and it goes in the direction where it's supposed to. Now, if you say, hey, do that again, I probably am not going to do it again because I haven't had those adjustments and haven't had those challenges that allowed me to kind of get back to center. And so whatever it is that we might be going through, it's the learning opportunities or it's the mistakes or failures that we have that shape us to kind of the person or the man or woman that we are today. So with that being said, say this respectfully, continue failing so you can fail fast and get to your desired destination sooner. So with that said, let's get started. Congratulations is where we normally start. So Sussan and Carlos and Estela, congratulations, Sussan, on getting your offer on closing, I should say. And you have an amazing story. She met with us first maybe about, she said 10 years, maybe not that long, but a while ago, right? And most people, when they connect with us, there's some advice of, okay, meet with the lender, do this, do that, and the lender has their advice. And for some people, it might make sense right away. Others, things happen, and life just happens, right? And but we just definitely want to acknowledge that you stuck with it all the way through. That's definitely a long time. But the reason of owning a home was more important than the excuses of not getting the home. So big congratulations. We're excited for you, and you've shared some awesome messages with us that every time you walk in the house, you can't believe it's yours. So it is yours. So congratulations. Carlos and Estela, they got their offer accepted. So we'll be sharing and showing them more love, obviously, when they get the keys and with champagne and so forth. So congratulations, guys. Kind of step one in this milestone with us. We also have a couple workshops that are coming up, virtual and in person, towards the end of this month. I think actually Saturday we have a workshop, and then on Thursday we have a workshop. So those are it for the month. So if you're interested in buying, and the video I mentioned last time is that we're slowly starting to see the market shift a little bit. So if you want to know what's happening in the market and get a market update and also what it looks like to buy right now, still with COVID restrictions, this is a great opportunity to do so. Congratulations also, I forgot to mention our Hacienda Heights, that beautiful home that we had. The sellers, they've accepted an offer, and so in about 25 or 30 days or so, they will not get the keys, not right away because they'll be buying soon, but get a little bit of money. And so, so if you're interested in exploring what it looks like to sell, I would, and this is not a sales gimmick or a sales pitch, I would do it right away, because as the market slowly starts slowing down a little bit, it's going to get more, there's going to be more competition for the buyers, right? And so in the past, a seller didn't really compete with much because there's no homes on the market, right? They had multiple offers, but as more homes eventually come to market, it's not going to be as competitive or as advantageous for sellers. So if you're thinking about selling, you want to definitely do it sooner than later, because it's only going to get less attractive, all overall, right? Price, terms, and so forth when it comes time to sell. So if you're interested, please let us know. We'd love to have that conversation. And last thing, really great opportunity, a home that we're going to be selling. It's a 3-bedroom house in Whittier, and it has a permitted guest house as well. And it's going to be priced in the mid 600s. Really unique opportunity. That the guest house right now, there's a similar one size-wise, and it's renting for, I think, $1,300 or $1,350. So you could obviously rent that one out and live in your home with a reduced mortgage, or kind of a house hack. You live in the smaller house and you rent out the main house. You probably get about $2,800 or so, which would cover close to about 80%, probably even 90%, depending on your down payment, or really all of it, depending on your down payment, So really a nice opportunity to live very comfortably, at least mortgage and payment wise. So if that's you, it'll be on the market probably by this time that you watch the actual video. We'll be having open house Saturday, Sunday. So with that being said, thanks for watching. We are appreciative of your continued support, and we'll see you soon.